I did not expect to be really cooking.
This is like super legit. I'm so excited.
Maqluba is the main course. Maqluba means upside down.
Looks good. Looks good. Think you're doing it right?
No.
Yeah. So there's some beautiful light coming through, and it's a really clear night, so I think we got pretty lucky. Okay, we think we're heading into a Jordanian cooking class. We're not completely sure. A friend of ours who lives here helped us set it up, so we don't really know what to expect. Let's go.
I think
we're at a cooking class. Thank you. All right.
I'm very scared. I'm not a good cook. Assistant chef.
There we go.
Assistant chef.
That's what I call him, my assistant chef.
It's finished like this.
No pressure. Looking good.
Oh gosh, guys, I think when our friend set this up for us to go to the Petra Kitchen, he said it was kind of like a cooking, kind of eating thing. I did not expect to be really cooking.
This is like super legit. I'm so excited.
Yeah, this is more of Nicole's jam and not mine. So this is just gonna be really bad for me.
I'm ready.
Oh, we're doing all that?
I think so.
Maqluba? Oh. Are you excited to cook that?
Obviously. I love cooking so much. I love cooking. I'm lucky that way. Because you gotta do it every day. I'm stoked.
I don't see ramen noodles or craft dinner on that
or fish
menu or
you
fish,
cook fish
a little bit or fried eggs. So this is not gonna be something that's in my wheelhouse. We'll see how it goes.
Lentil soup, baba ganoush, tahini salad, fattoush, chapule. Maqluba is the main course. Maqluba means upside down. It's vegetables, chicken, rice, and we're gonna flip it. So because of that, they call it upside down.
And my garlic mincing on.
Excellent.
So far, lots of veggie chopping. It's good. Excellent. Ooh, peeled eggplant before. That's cool. Oh, it's roasted. I thought it was like frozen and it was thawing.
That looks so good. Wow. It looks so good.
Let me chicken breast. Doing a good job, love.
I think so.
Looks good. Looks good. Think you're doing it right. That is going to be good soup.
Okay. One rice here, one here, one here. Two. Again, one.
Moved on to the pastries. Yeah. Okay.
No.
Yeah, don't practice.
Second shot.
Come on, hon.
It's because of the flip.
Can you give us the nice one?
What's that?
You gonna give us the nice one?
Yes. This is the, yeah, we don't talk about the first one.
So good. All cooked in one pan, expertly flopped upside down.
We don't talk about it.
It was perfect. It's really, really good. So one pan wonder. It's delicious.
We don't talk about the first flip.
We caught it on camera, so we can relive it every day.
We'll edit that out. Wow.
What a whirlwind.
That was so awesome.
That was so much fun.
What a great way to kind of soak in some Jordanian food. Why do a food tour when buying other people's food when you can just make your own food?
Perhaps my favorite part is that we had no idea what we were getting into.
Yeah.
So we just rock up, thinking maybe we're like, maybe I'll chop a tomato up,
Yeah.
and then that's gonna be it. No. Nope, that was a full-on, full-fledged food making day.
Yes.
Which was awesome.
An awesome cooking class. I don't think I've ever been to a cooking class before.
Yeah, I don't know that I have either, to be honest.
So to do one in Petra and Jordan, that's gonna be hard to top.
That was pretty special.
But I think I can't believe I can't believe I messed up the flip. I don't know. Maybe we should edit that out. First try.
I'll make sure it stays in.
Oh no.
But we are now kind of rushing to see Petra by Night.
Yeah.
And it's just after 8 o'clock, and it is time for us to get a move on. Gonna go check it out at candlelight.
Yeah.
I think we're just about there. So Petra by Night is quite literally coming to the city, and it's lit up with candlelight. And we get a bit of a show from the Bedouins, from what I understand. So let's go find a spot. I'm so excited.
This place is so magical.
So magical.
We're just sitting down now in front of the Treasury, but the walk from the entrance to here, it was
so cool.
So cool.
You can't see anything, right? So you're just like walking through, and there's just walls on either side. We're really lucky right now because the moon is also almost full.
Yeah.
So there's some beautiful light coming through, and it's a really clear night. So I think we got pretty lucky. I think that's music playing.
Yeah.
Yeah? We can't see anything.
From afar. Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah. The show was so-so. It was a little quick.
Yeah, a little quiet. We were a little too far
Yeah.
back as well. I wish
Yeah.
we had been sitting a little closer up. So if you're here for Petra by Night, try and get seats closer up to the front so you can hear better.
Yeah. but beautiful music, beautiful culture. It was really cool to see.
And honestly, I think I'd come to Petra by Night even just for the lanterns, like for walking in the pitch black with just the moonlight. Super worth it.
The ambiance was awesome.
Yeah.
Now we're in front of the Treasury now, and I think we'll probably end off our day there.
Yeah. We will leave you guys here, and we will see you next in Wadi Ram.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Gordon Ramsay, I need you. You come back here, you look like you're in like a music commercial or like a music video.
Is my commercial dancing? What's the commercial for?
No, like a music video.
Oh, a music video? Oh, that's a whole different kind of dancing. I don't want to do that here. It's inappropriate.
What kind of music videos are you watching?